Want to completely erase your Mac computer to prepare it to sell or just start fresh? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to reset your Mac to factory settings. Now let's get started. Before resetting your Mac, we'd first suggest backing up your data if you want to transfer it to a new Mac, or in case you'll need your files later on. You can back it up to an external hard drive, use Apple's Migration Assistant, or back it up to iCloud. To factory reset your Mac computer, open your System Settings. On the left, select General. Scroll down and click Transfer or Reset. Here you can transfer your data to a new Mac with the Migration Assistant. If you're ready to erase everything, click Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Mac's password to access the Erase Assistant. Look through the list of all the data that will be erased when you reset your Mac. Then click Continue. You may need to enter the password for your Apple account to confirm that you want to erase your Mac. To finish the process, click Erase All Content and Settings in the pop-up window. Your Mac will then be completely erased and reset to factory settings. Once this process is complete, you're ready to sell it or set it up for yourself as if it were new. That's all it takes to reset your Mac to factory settings. Need to reset your iPhone? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.